In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on anonymous responses on SurveyMonkey. It's a straightforward procedure that ensures your survey participants' identities remain confidential, which is great for encouraging candid feedback. Let's dive right in. First, the journey begins at the SurveyMonkey website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the site. Once you're there, finding the login button is the next crucial step. Look for it prominently displayed on the top corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your account and managing your surveys. Now, after clicking login, you'll be met with a few different sign-in options. We're going to use Google for this walkthrough, as it's a common choice and often the quickest. Tap on the Google button, and if you're already signed into a Google account on your browser, you'll be given a list of accounts to choose from. Simply select the account that you want to use for SurveyMonkey. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page under the Projects section. This is where all your hard work is stored. From this hub, you can create new surveys or manage existing ones. Today we're going to focus on making changes to an existing survey, so go ahead and select the survey you wish to adjust. With the survey open, look for and click on the Collect Responses tab. This tab is your toolbox for getting your survey out into the world and gathering the data you need. It's packed with options on how to share your survey effectively. Continuing from here, you're going to click on Send Surveys Your Way. This opens a suite of methods to distribute your survey. But what we want is to share our survey through a link, so Share a Survey link is what you need to select next. Now once you've accessed the survey link options, it's time to scroll down. You're looking for Anonymous Responses. This is the setting that allows responses to be anonymous, providing that invaluable layer of confidentiality. Click on it. This is where you'll make the magic happen. Finally, when prompted with the option to turn anonymity on, go ahead and click on. This small but significant step means all the responses collected through this link will be anonymous. Your respondents can answer without reservation, knowing their identities are not tracked. There you have it. You've successfully configured your survey to accept anonymous responses. By following these steps, you help create a safe environment for authentic feedback, enriching the quality and honesty of the data you collect. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more features in SurveyMonkey to further enhance your survey experience.